Hi, hello there. So I'm gonna show for the fridge, from my fridge that's is going to sell. So this fridge is Samsung brand and the capacity is 500 liters. Yeah, as you can see here, I'm going to show you like in pretty much in detail. So this is like the panel instrument where you can adjust the temperature, yeah, and some plastic is still attached there. All right, let's see inside. This is 2 years old, and as you can see, here is the video, which the plastic is still attached there, yeah, so it's hardly used. All right, okay, and this is the downside of the fridge, and this is the fruits or vegetable container here, and you can see also the some tape is still attached there, and the color also still white. All right, okay, thank you.